See students, this is the video solutions for the test conducted on 16 November 2020. That's the last week. This is basically on the general organic chemistry, that is mainly isomerism. See, the first question is the only single monobromo derivative can be obtained from. So I have given the word structures of the four compounds given: 2-methyl butane, 2,2-dimethyl butane, propane. Sorry, this is the 2-methyl propane. This is the 2,2,4,4 tetramethyl butane. These are the four compounds given. See, to form the only one monobromo derivative, the all hydrogens in the given molecule should be same. Here, that situation is not existing. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 types of hydrogens are there. 4 monobromo derivatives are possible. But here, all are equivalent. There are 4 sides of all are equivalent. Only one monobromo derivative. Here all are equivalent: methyl, 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 methyl. Position also equivalent position. So only one is possible. Here the chlorine can be attached here. That is, chlorine can be attached here. That is, 2 derivatives are possible. So out of this, that is the B and C are correct. That is a compound having the general formula CnH2n. This is the formula given. So for this degree of unsaturation, you see, that is 1, n plus 1, 2n by 2. That is the, and that is the degree of unsaturation. With this molecular formula, the possible compounds are alkenes and cycloalkanes. So alkenes and cycloalkane, tautomerism is not possible. Geometrical isomerism possible. Alkenes show the geometrical isomerism. Metamerism is not possible. That is in hydrocarbons. And positional isomerism is possible. The double bond position can shift from one place to other place. Or so even in the cycloalkanes, if the substituents are present, and positional isomerism is 1,1-dimethyl cyclopropane and 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane possible. Therefore, BD are correct. The next thing is that tautomers differ in, no, not number of sigma bonds are same, number of pi bonds are same, they all are same. Position of the proton, only the proton is changing its position. H plus ion shift, 1,3 shift of H plus ion. So C is correct. Their acidic nature, in one case it is attached to the carbon. I am taking the acetaldehyde. This is the proton that is shifting. Now in the second case, that is the position of the, this is changed to this one, proton position. Here it is connected to the oxygen, here it is connected to the carbon. Therefore, this is more acidic. Hydrogen connected to oxygen, more as the electronegativity increases, that is bond polarity increases, that acidic nature changes. So that is, hydrogen connected to the oxygen is more acidic than hydrogen connected to the carbon. Therefore, their acidic nature is different. CD are correct options. Now, diastereomers are possible. So there are 3 types of diastereomers, and geometrical diastereomers, optical diastereomers, and enhanced optical diastereomers, and conformational diastereomers. So butene dioic acid, this is the first one, is the butene dioic acid. There is a double bond across which the cis trans isomerism is possible. Cis trans isomers are the geometrical isomers, diastereomers, and this is possible. A is correct option. Diastereomers are 3-hexene. I have given the structure. This is the double bond. Across this double bond, the cis trans isomerism is possible. Cis trans isomers are the diastereomers. So here the geometrical isomerism is not possible, and here only one chiral center, only one DL pair is possible. So that is for the optical diastereomers to occur, there must be 2 or more more the chiral center should be there. Here only one chiral center, DL pair, enantiomeric pair is possible. Therefore, here A, B are the correct options. And the 30, that is the tertiary carbon is present in where, see, 2,2-dimethyl pentane. This is the neocarbon, primary carbon, secondary carbon, secondary carbon, and primary carbon. Primary, secondary, and 4 degree. No 3 degree. So in this, that is a tertiary carbon is absent. 2-methyl. So this carbon is 3 degree, this is 2 degree, this is 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. This is, in this molecule it is possible, the tertiary carbon is present. 1-bromo, that is the 1-bromo, 2,2-dimethyl butane. This is primary, this is quaternary, this is primary, this is secondary, this is primary, tertiary is absent. Therefore, it is not the right answer. So that is 2,4-dimethyl hexane. This is the hexane system. 2,4. The starred carbons are that is, there are 2 carbon, 3 degree carbons. This is possible. So here, that is 2,4-dimethyl hexane. Absent is asking the absent, not present. So where it is absent, in A and C, they are absent. A and C absent, B and D present. So A, C are the correct options. So the next one is the compound with the molecular formula C4H8. C4H8, degree of unsaturation you check up, that is 1. So alkene or cycloalkane is possible. 1 butene, 2 butene, that is possible. So what he is asking, that is they can exist as functional group isomers. Yes, cycloalkane and this is alkene and cycloalkane are the functional isomers. They are called as the ring chain isomers. Ring chain isomers are the functional isomers. Special case of the functional isomers. Functional isomers which have the ring chain relation are called as ring chain isomers. So the functional isomers correct. Diastereomers, yes, cis trans possible in the alkene. Diastereomerism is possible. Diastereomers are possible, cis and trans. And chain isomers. Chain isomer is also possible here. In this case, how many carbon atoms? This is the N-butene, 1-butene or 2-butene position isomers. This is the chain isomer, that is isobutene. This is the carbon chain can change. So this is also possible. A, B, C are correct options. That is the next one is the 32. Your XY are the sp3, sp2 carbons, 2:1. They have the same bond connectivity. See, same connectivity order, that is same structure, and Y could be so they must be stereoisomers. Bond connectivity is same, and they differ in the spatial connectivity, spatial order. They are called as the stereoisomers. And positional isomers are structural isomers. Functional isomers are structural isomers. Diastereomers are the geometrical, and these are the stereoisomers. C is correct. Enantiomers are the stereoisomers. Indulo C and D are the stereoisomers. Where C, D are maintaining. Therefore, these two are that is C, D are the correct one. And next one is there is a duplication. Position isomerism is possible in where position isomerism is possible. Saturated compound with the molecular formula this C4H8. Saturated compound with molecular formula C4H8 means degree of unsaturation 1. Saturate means it should be a cyclic. This saturated compound. So here it is not possible, here it is not possible. Positional isomerism. 5 carbons, C5H10, that is 5 carbon, that is the cyclopropane, 1,1-dimethyl, 1,2-dimethyl here. Possible, C5H10. They are position isomers saturated. This is saturated compound with the molecular formula C6. Yes, 6-member ring with the 2 methyl groups and this one. So 3-member you can reduce the 3-member. Here also possible. So B, C, D are the correct one. That is the compound AB are the metamers. they have same number of sigma and pi bonds. Metamers, yes, correct. Metamers differ in the number of carbon atoms or the nature of the carbon chains. Number of sigma and pi bonds, necessarily same number of primary, secondary, tertiary, not necessarily, this is wrong. And same functional group, because the n-propyl, isopropyl has the secondary n-propyl, see, they need not be this one. And that is the same functional group, yes, they should have the same functional group. Same number of pi and sigma bonds, and C, and a different constitution. They are structural isomers. Constitution means structurally. Different, they are structural isomers. So therefore A, C, D are same number of sigma and pi bonds, same functional group. So that's different, they are structural isomers, structures. Next one is IUPAC name. So longest chain to be taken into consideration containing the more number of double bonds, 4 carbon chain with this one. So ethyl, 2,3 dimethyl, that is 1,3 butadiene, a simple example. That is here geometrical isomerism is possible in compounds. See, all the compounds, A is this. So no double bond is satisfied, no stereo center. Here 2,3 dimethyl 2-butene. So no geometrical center. That is no, cannot show that this one. 3-hexene, properly substituted ethnic center is present. Cis trans is possible. Geometrical isomerism is possible. So now this is the case. And 2-butene in alkynes it is not possible. Therefore it is not possible. So where not possible antunnadu. He is asking the not possible. It is not possible in A, not possible in B, not possible in D, only possible in C. Now the question is, this is methyl propyl methanoate. This is the methyl propyl methanoate, propyl formate, 4 carbon system with ester group. So now this is the esters and carboxylic acids are the functional isomers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the functional isomer. Is an isomer of 2-methyl propanoic acid is an isomer of this. So this is the, see, methyl propanoate also functional isomer. That is the metamer of first one, functional isomer of second one. This is ethyl, yes, it is also isomer. So this is these are the metamers. So A, C, D are the, that is for the given compound. A, C, D are the, that is A, C, D are the, that is functional isomers, not functional isomers. Next one is the cinnamic acid. Organic compound X has the all carbon atoms with the same state of hybridization. In the given molecule, all carbon atoms must be in the same state. Cinnamic acid, 3-phenyl propanoic acid or acrylic acid, all are sp2. So this is correct. Only sp2 only. This is styrene, that is all are sp2. Vinyl benzene. This is the bicyclic compound is given. Yes, I have given the structure of the molecule. All have the same hybridization, all sp3. So here, and acetophenone. So this is ring has the sp2 and C double bond has sp2, but this methyl carbon is not sp3, not sp2. So A, B, C have the, that is A, B, C have the same type of hybrid carbon atoms. Whereas in the D, that is one carbon, all are not same hybridized carbon atoms. The other one is the IUPAC name of the ethyl tertiary butyl. So this is the molecule. This is 3 carbon chain, and this is the structure of this molecule. So now you have to take the alkane hydrocarbon 1, 2, 3 hydrocarbon derivative. So no, this is propane, 2-methyl propane, 2-ethoxy 2-methyl propane is the name of the compound, IUPAC name of the compound. This is carbon containing the 66% P character is present in. What is the meaning of it? 66% of a P character is present means what is it? That is the sp3 has the P character of that is 75%, and the sp2 hybrid orbitals have the P character of that is 66.6%, and that is sp carbon has the P character of 50%. P character. So that means which of the following examples have the that is and sp2 hybrid carbon atom. See here, in the first case, no, this is the structure of the first molecule. Here, no, that is the sp2 carbon. Here, second has the sp2 carbon. 3 methyl hexanol. ikkada sp3 carbon, sp2 carbon undi ikkada. So that is 1,3 butadiene. No, indulo ledu, only sp carbon atoms. And here this has the 3 pentanone, 2 methyl, 3 pentanone. This has the sp2 carbon. So AV unnai, B and D have the 1 sp2 hybrid carbons. Therefore BD are the correct option for the given question. Now, correct statement among the following. See, some statements are given, and choose the presence of the one or more asymmetric carbons makes a compound necessarily optically active. No, it is wrong. One is okay. If it contains the two, it may or may not be an optically active. So first statement is wrong statement. Chirality is the necessary and sufficient condition to exhibit the optical activity. Yes, molecular chirality is required. Second is correct. B is correct. Diastereomers need not be optically active. No, cis-trans isomers also diastereomers. So that's the correct statement. Need not be optically active. That is D. One of the enantiomer can be a chiral. No, it's not possible. So B, C are correct statements. Other two are wrong statements. That is the ratio of the sp2 sp3 carbons same for the pair of compound. In the each the option, that is the two compounds are given, and he is asking to find out the ratio of the sp2 and sp3 in each compound, and that is pair should have the same ratio of the sp2 and this. Mesitylene is this 6:3, 2:1 ratio. sp2 and sp3 carbons are in 2:1 ratio. And next one is the 1,4 cyclohexadiene. This is 4:2, 2:1. So in the first case it is matching, and similarly it is matching in this case, where second case it is not matching. That is allyl bromide 2:1, and other one is the 3-methyl 1-pentene. 3-methyl 1-pentene. This is the, and 1:2. It's 2:1. This is 1:2. sp2 is to sp3 is asking. So not matching. 4-methyl styrene. Yes, 4-methyl styrene 8:1. And phenyl acetaldehyde 7:1. So not matching. So BC lo raledu. Malli again there is a matching in last case. 4-methyl acetophenone and 4-ethyl benzaldehyde. So here 7:2, 7:2. So matching. Therefore this is, and what is correct? AB. In the set A and set D, that is the ratio is same for the given pair of compounds. Now, the correct statement about the compounds ABC is, so this is B and C correct. So 1 is yes, 2 is yes, and 3 is R. So, and 1, 2 are the homomers, 1, 3 are the enantiomers, 2, 3 are the enantiomers. 1, 2 are enantiomers. No, they are homomers. 2, 3 are enantiomers. Yes, this is S and this is R, enantiomers. Isomers with opposite configuration. 1, 3 are enantiomers. Yes, S are enantiomers. 1 and 3 are identical. No, 1 and 2 are identical. 1, 3 are, that's a DL pair. So therefore BC is correct. So I have determined the configuration. You check up and how many diastereomers are possible for the given compound. How many diastereomers are possible? You see, this is the one chiral center, carbon nitrogen double bond, across that cis trans is possible, and here that is the cis trans is possible. So that is here cis 4 2 stereos, there are 2 stereo centers. So that is there are 2 stereo centers. So methyl and this can be one side, methyl and this can be opposite side. Therefore here that there are 2 stereo centers. There are 2 stereo centers. How many diastereomers are? 4 diastereomers are possible. Cis cis, cis trans, trans cis, that is and trans trans. 4 are possible. Ikkada cis trans, ikkada cis trans. E point. 4 diastereomers are possible. The number of possible structures of the carbonyl compounds for the given molecule C8H8O. ఇగో బెంజిన్ రింగ్తో వేసినా మీరు పెట్టండి. ద 5 ద డిగ్రీ ఆఫ్ అన్సాచురేషన్ ఈజ్ 5 అని వస్తుంది. అవునా? 9 + 4 9 - 4 దట్ ఈస్ 5. సో రింగ్ ఇది అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద విత్ బెంజిన్ రింగ్ ద కార్బన్ ఐటమ్స్ ఆర్ మోర్ దెన్ 6 and carbon hydrogen ratio is nearly 1:1, then you have to take the word benzene ring. So these are the isomeric compound. Phenyl acetaldehyde, acetophenone, that is and tolualdehydes, orthotolaldehyde, metatolaldehyde, paratolaldehydes. 3 only carbonyl compounds, not the other things, and tautomers should not be taken into consideration. Total 5 are possible. This is the other thing is the configuration is very simple to determine. EZE, there is no need to tell this one. C is correct option. So find out that is the CIP rules and find out how many chiral centers present in the given molecule. What is the molecule? This is the cyclohexane carboxylic acid. At the third position, 2-chloropropyl group is present. How many chiral centers are there? This is chiral center. This is chiral center. On the ring there are 2 chiral centers. In the side chain 1 chiral center. Total chiral centers are 3. That is C is the correct option. The next one is how many stereoisomers of this is possible. Compound is taken into consideration. This is not a this is and stereoisomer. How many stereoisomers are possible in this optically active compound? Here this is not a stereo center. This is not a stereo center, and this is he is asking the optically active isomers, not total stereoisomers. Optically active. This is the only chiral center. Here only 1 chiral center is present on the side chain 2-chloro butane part. Therefore 2 optically active isomers are possible. That is 2 is possible. Then choose the incorrect statement. I am reading the statements and deciding whether the given statement is correct or wrong. A. Tartaric acid has 2 optically active stereoisomers. Optically active, yes. D tartaric acid, L tartaric acid, mesotartaric acid, DL are the active. Out of the 3, 2 are stereoisomers are optically active. A is correct. B. External compensation makes the mesotartaric acid optically inactive. This is correct. When mesotartaric acid is optically inactive is correct. That is not due to the external compensation, that is due to internal compensation. This statement is wrong. B is wrong. C. Ethane can be considered as a meso compound. No. It has plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry undi gaani meso compound ananam veelledu. Meso compound is one which is optically inactive due to plane of symmetry or center of symmetry containing the chiral centers. It has no chiral centers. Therefore C, this wrong statement. C is wrong statement. All compounds having 2 or more, that is chiral centers, show enantiomerism. No. two or more may or may not be and enantiomerism. They may show the. So sometimes they are mesocompounds. Therefore, this is also wrong statement. B, C, D are wrong. So he is asking the incorrect statements. B, C, D is the correct option. That is the choose the correct statement. Again, read the statement and find out the which is correct and which is wrong, and finally report that is the correct statement. Enantiomers are interconvertible by free rotation. No. Enantiomers are due to bond rotation. One enantiomer is not converting to other enantiomer. Only breaking of the bond and making of the bonds makes the that is change of configuration. One enantiomer is converted into other enantiomer. First one is wrong. All the stereoisomers which are not enantiomers are diastereomers. Yes, correct. Stereoisomers which are not enantiomers are called as the diastereomers. That is, a hydrocarbon cannot show the metamerism. Yes, correct. B correct, C correct. Compound with RR configuration at the two chiral centers always have the positive optical rotation. Positive optical rotation. The compound with the two chiral centers RR will have the positive or negative positive. Which sense he has taken? That is, positive means dextro rotation. If we say the word dextro rotation, D is not correct. It may have the dextro rotatory or levo rotatory. But, and positive rotation means it is an optical rotation. It shows the what optically active, that is correct. So, ఏ సెన్స్లో తీసుకున్నారు నేనైతే పాజిటివ్ ఆప్టికల్ రొటేషన్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ ద డెక్స్ట్రో రొటేషన్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ నీడ్ నాట్ బి డెక్స్ట్రో రొటేషన్. It may be dextro-rotatory or levo-rotatory. BC are correct if I take the word that way. That is